Hi guys, welcome to my singing angler channel. My name is Oleg. I'm a fishing guide and expert, also opera singer, living now in Prague, Czech Republic. And today I'm going to fish with my friend Maxim for perch in a big water reservoir. So let's start together. So now the sky is quite clear, but there are some clouds also, so weather is very changeable. I will show you which tackle I'm going to use today. First, this bait casting rod with a tail spinner, and the second is this, the different type of fishing rod with lead weight, and on the long leader a small soft plastic lure. So because perch is not so much active today, I think I will use two different methods. If I will find active fish, if we will find active fish, I will use this tail spinner. In other case, I will use this soft plastic lure, and I think in any way I will be able to catch some of them. By the way guys, this noise is made by this anchor, electric engine, which holds us on the one chosen spot. And of course it's very helpful for perch fishing or for bass fishing on the big water reservoirs. Thank you. Well, sometimes works only like this soft plastic lure, but made from very soft plastic. Size like this, on the quite long leader, about 2 or 2.5 feet, and lead weight in forward. And look what I'm going to do. Cast not so far away because I'm fishing from the boat. Wait until the line, until the lead is on the bottom. Here's the depth about 20 feet. Then retrieve very slowly, just like this. And this lead weight just scratch the bottom. Scratch the bottom. Sometimes I twitch a little bit, wait for a while again, it's a little bit boring fishing, however it works at this time of the year. Right, there is a small church over there, and it looks like it now is time for liturgy. Oh yeah, all right. This is here. Oh, nice. Look at that. Wow. Not bad at all. Wow. It's amazing perch. Yeah. Look, beautiful fish. Right. Beautiful perch. Look at this dorsal fin. Wow. And took the lure to this small worm, soft plastic lure, when I retrieve very slowly. Amazing. Oh, there is one huge minus when you fish with such rigs. They perch is suck too deep, the lure, and it's quite hard to release them. So this small fish should be released, but I hope he will survive. So when you fish on such a big water reservoir, it's important to change sometimes fishing spots and have a sonar, because without sonar you can't locate fish properly. Sometimes there are some good spots which you can find on the bank, typical gulfs like this, or beaches, sandy beaches. However, it's good to have something like technical devices. I will show you how we will find good spot now. So it looks like we found finally some fish right here. You can see them here. So hopefully this fish is perch, not bream, not roach, not carp, but perch. Oh, great. Here's one more fish. We found it on the sonar. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah. Not the biggest one, but also not a small perch. Yeah. Also beautiful fish. Great. Oh, right. I can tell you guys that this is my favorite fish from the childhood. I love perches, and my first fish was perch. So they're all the same 40 years ago, and now they didn't change. And I still love them. Thank you. Since this water reservoir is very deep, up to 100 feet, even more, sometimes some spots 150 feet deep, the best spots for fishing are along the banks. Here's the depth about 20-30 feet, and it's the best at this time of the year for perch fishing. And we're waiting now for sunset, for golden hour, because sometimes during golden hour it's the highest activity for perch, but sometimes not. So let's see if it's going to happen today. It looks like Maxime has quite nice fish, or maybe not. Ah,
Standard.
not bad perch. Well, beautiful fish, not big but beautiful. And again, deep in the mouth. Catch and release. So finally we had to finish a little bit earlier, before sunset, because we have some urgent business back in Prague. But I hope you enjoyed this short fishing session together with me, and see you then the next time. So tight lines and be blessed. See you.